Due to COVID, we were prevented from traveling back to Greece for almost 1 year after the purchase of our catamaran.
After 10 months, we finally found a way to travel back to Greece. After we arrived in Greece, we drove 30 miles south to a marina near Lavrio, where our boat has been sitting unattended for the better part of a year. We had no idea what to expect of our boat, but we did hope it was still floating.
As you can imagine, we were really anxious on the drive, and especially the last few meters along the dock. Our best case scenario, that it was still floating. We definitely imagined the worst, like the state of this flag, but we were pleasantly surprised. This is it!
Now it's time to check out the boat, look for damage, see what we need to fix, and start cleaning. A month before we got to our boat, a rare hurricane or metacane passed by the area. Fortunately, nothing happened to our boat.
It's only been 10 months that we've been waiting for this.
Yeah, and our boat is completely filthy. So we're going to spend the next couple days cleaning our boat, and then we're going to motor it 80 miles from here north to another place. We're going to haul it out of the water, and we're going to do some repairs on it, and then we'll put it back in the water and sail it across the land. That's the quick goal.
That's the simple plan.
Yeah. Thank you all for being so supportive of us and encouraging us to keep doing this.
To keep going and going and going and trying to get here. It's kind of a miracle that we're even in Greece at this time, especially given COVID and travel restrictions. But we were able to do that, and we're here, and we sort of really can't believe that we're here in a way.
No.
It's very surreal, very surreal, especially because this is the second time that we've seen our boat in our life since we purchased it. So, yeah, pretty crazy.
You doing okay?
This is probably, if you ever worked on a boat and you were the first person hired,
Yeah.
this is what you had to do.
Yeah.
Or no, the last person. This is the last.
The first hurdle was getting our Greek transit log. There are many more details on our blog, but here's the quick facts about what and why we needed a transit log. In Greece, a transit log is sort of like a passport for your boat. You show this transit log when leaving and arriving in port. If you don't have a transit log, you can't transit unless you want to pay a fine. When we bought our boat, it was supposed to have a transit log, but we eventually found out that the seller never applied for a transit log, and our new boat was in Greece illegally. Job number one for us was getting a transit log so we could move our boat anywhere. It was essentially floating in handcuffs at this point. After 5 months, we ended up needing to hire Greek help, so we hired a fixer to help us get the last portion of our transit log done. Actually, that last portion turned out to take another 35 weeks. When we finally arrived in Greece, we only had to get some local officials' signatures, pay some fees and fines, and, quote, other fees for services to finally get our transit log. We could not have received our transit log without the help of our fixer.
Hey, good morning, guys. Just wanted to say hello. This is our second morning in the marina on our boat. It's been such a peaceful morning. I just wanted to share it with you. Look behind me. Love you guys. Guy has a dinner guest. Time to go swimming. Spinach pie for Guy. He's addicted. He can't stop eating them. He also has a croissant.
Yay!
He's definitely off the keto. Teamwork. Garen on the winch, Lucas on the mast. Marta in front. Since our boat was being moved, we felt we had some pressing matters to attend to ensure her safe passage.
Destination is on your left. Temple of Poseidon.
Since we're only about 5 kilometers from Poseidon's temple, we wanted to go talk to a certain someone about renaming our boat. You know, get on the inside track. It's time to remove the old boat name.
Now we could begin the boat renaming ceremony. Invoke Poseidon, ruler of the deep.
We've written the old name of the boat on this metal tag, aka steel rusty bottle cap that we found.
It will disintegrate into the ocean as required.
Quickly. And the old name of the boat's written on here. I'm not going to say the old name because for superstitious reasons. But we're going to release it into the ocean. It'll probably rust out in a week.
As proof thereof. We purge the old name and forever be purged from the sea. We ask the name to struck and removed from your archive. We ask the four winds for their blessings.
Yes.
Okay, cheers, Steve.
Cheers.
And renamed our boat. Oh, I want to offer a toast to the captains, and first mates of Blackbird.
Depending on the day.
Congratulations, it's been a long journey to get here. It's been 10 months just to get on our boat after we purchased it. A lot of lessons
Good
learned.
Yes.
We look forward to it.
Hope to see you soon on board.